Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing very well and enjoying your summer holidays. I'm your teacher Friha and I'm teaching you maths. Today we are going to learn about place value. Place value tells us the value of the number and the placement of the numbers. Can you see these two numbers? What are these numbers? This is number 2 and number 9. So is this 92 or 29? How we will guess this? So with the place value we can learn the value of the number. So here we have 2 tens. How many tens? 2 tens. It means we have 20. And how many ones we have? We have 9 ones. It means 9. So altogether these are 29. So place value tells us the value of the number. Let's do the practice. Okay, my dear ones, I'm going to teach you about place value. Place value. So, you all have to repeat after me. Ones means the digit that shows how many ones are in a number. Ones, what show ones? It shows how many ones in a number. And 10 means the digit that shows how many tens are in a number. Okay? So, repeat this after me. This tells us where each digit belongs in number. Again, tells us where each digit belongs in number. Like this. Here we have 3 ones. Can you count this with me? 1, 2, 3. How many ones we have here? 3 and 1 10. How many tens we have here? 1 10. So, what number this will be? This will be 13. Okay, all together. Well done. Now we are going to do the worksheet. So, here we have 2 tens. How many tens? 2 tens and 2 ones. So, for tens we will write 2 because we have 2 tens. So, we will write 2 at the left side. And how many ones we have? We have 2 ones. So, we will write 2 at the right side and the number will be 22. Well done. Next, here we have 4 tens and 6 ones. So, for tens, we will write 4 at the left side and 6 at the right side. So, the number will be 46. 4 tens, 6 ones means 46. Here we have 9 tens and 5 ones. So, first we have to write the tens, which are 9 tens and how many ones? 5 ones. So, it will be 95. We have 3 tens here and 8 ones. What number it will be? It will be 38. 3, 8, 38. Now, here we have 7 tens and 6 ones. So, for tens, where we have to write it? We have to write it on the left side. 70. And we have to write the ones on the right side, which will be 76. 5 tens and 4 ones. Here we have 5 tens and 4 ones, which will be 54. 5 tens and 4 ones will be 54. 2 tens and 5 ones will be 25. 25. So, we have 8 tens here and 3 ones. So, what number it will be? It will be 83. 8, 3, 83. Okay, let's do the next. We have 6 tens and 5 ones. It means it is 65, 65. Well done everyone. Let's do the next activity page. So, here we don't have numbers. We have to follow the shapes. So, this shape shows tens, the unit of 10. And this shape shows ones, a unit of 1. So we have 1 unit of 10 and 1 unit of ones. So 1, we will write tens first. On the left side 1, and we have 1 ones, and the number will be 1 1 11. Very good. Now let's count the tens first. So 1 2 3. How many tens we have? 3. First we will write number 3. And now let's count the ones. 1 2 3 4 5. How many ones we have? 5. 3 5 35. The number will be 35. Now here counts the tens. 1 2 3 4. How many tens we have? 4. How many tens we have? 4. Let's see how many ones we have. 1 2 3 4. 4 4 44. Well done. Again, let's count the tens first. 1 2. We have 2 tens, and how many ones we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we will write 9 here. The number will be 2 9 29. Okay, let's count the tens first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have 7 tens. And how many ones we have? Let's count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 6 ones. The number will be 76. Count the tens with me. 1 2 3 4. Here we have 4 tens, and how many ones we have here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Write 8 here, and the number will be 4 8 48. Very good. You all have to do the same activity at home. Well done everyone. Allah Hafiz. Take care.